I think it's something like 40% of our population is now under 15. So it tells you that it's a very young population, and it tells you the rate at which we're growing. So that is an issue in itself. We can't sustain the goods and services at a rate that can service that population growth. It's obvious that if you cannot maintain the goods and services, you're going to get cracks, you're going to get problems, and it'll just exacerbate. As the uneducated youth get larger and larger, naturally it's going to create problems. They'll be disenfranchised, they will be hopeless, and they will feel neglected, and they will react. And so it's not sustainable. And that's where the partnerships like we have with Bilong Pikinini are so important. The government machinery is struggling to deliver. We need to come up with more creative ways in which to approach the problem. And partnerships is one of them. And in the area of literacy, Bilong Pikinini is an example of a very good partnership. They have the enthusiasm, and they're just getting out there and teaching our children to read, providing them books, going to difficult areas and making it happen. They continue to expand, including into my area in Milne Bay, where there's already a library there, and there'll be 2 more, I hope, shortly. There's no doubt about the importance of literacy, especially at the age which they're targeting at. And so it's a wonderful example of a partnership with the government that we can improve our delivery, where we have been traditionally, through the traditional methods, have been failing.